Hello everyone, this is James Thomas with the National Weather Service in San Diego. I'll be talking to you about the heavy rain forecast for Southern California on Friday and Saturday and the flooding impacts that are possible with this storm. Here is an infrared satellite image as of 1:30 p.m. this afternoon. We can see a deep low pressure system about 2,000 miles west of the Northern California coast with a well-defined cold front extending to the south and east. Now out ahead of this cold front is what we will see Friday. This will bring heavy rain with embedded thunderstorms. And behind the cold front we have very cold air aloft, and this will keep the showers continuing for Saturday and Sunday as well. Now the reason why we're expecting so much precipitation with this event is that it has a deep feed to the subtropical moisture ahead of the front, as seen here in the precipitable water satellite imagery. By Friday, the center of low pressure will be located off the Central California coast with a very strong jet stream directly over Southern California. This will give us the necessary dynamics for the strong winds, the heavy precipitation, and the possible flooding impacts over our region. The forecast precipitation totals Friday and Saturday are rather impressive with this storm. Along the San Diego County coast, we could pick up anywhere from 2 to 3 inches, 3 to 5 inches in Orange County and the Inland Empire. And because of the strong orographics with this storm system, San Bernardinos could pick up 7 to 10 inches of rain with locally higher amounts. In the San Diego County mountains, we're expecting around 5 to 7 inches of rain. Less rain is expected east of the mountains in the desert locations. Southerly and southwesterly winds ahead of the front on Friday and Saturday will be strong. We're expecting west of the mountains winds sustained 25 to 35, gusting to 40 miles per hour. There will be some isolated spots along the immediate coastline that could gust to 50 miles an hour. This is enough to make it hard for high-profile vehicles to drive, as well as snapping small tree branches. Now, the strongest of the winds will occur over the mountain ridgetops and on the desert slopes of the mountains. This is especially true east of Boulevard on Interstate 8 and to the northeast of Big Bear City near Lucerne Valley. This storm system will generate a very high westerly swell Friday night through Sunday afternoon. We're expecting combined seas to be 9 to 13 feet, peaking late Saturday. The waters are going to be very choppy and rough this time as well. Now for the coastline, this means high surf, 8 to 12 feet, early Saturday through early Monday. We're expecting sets up to 15 feet Saturday afternoon and evening, and then lowering down to 6 to 9 feet by Sunday morning. It's going to be very gusty out on the waters. South to southwest winds 20 to 25 knots, gusting to 35 knots. We're also expecting isolated thunderstorms over the waters Friday afternoon through Saturday afternoon, containing heavy rain, isolated waterspouts, small hail, and gusty and erratic winds. We recommend that mariners without proper experience seek safe harbor prior to the onset of the stormy conditions, as well as beachgoers staying out of the water on Friday and Saturday, as there will be strong and dangerous rip currents. Here's a summary table for the expected significant weather. Now with these high rainfall amounts that we're expecting in such a short period of time, this introduces the possibility of flash flooding, debris flows, or even mudslides. I'd also like to point out the fact that the snow levels will start off relatively high Friday morning around 8,000 feet, lowering to 7,000 feet in the late afternoon, and 6,000 feet in the evening. Snow level will drop to between 5,500 and 6,000 feet during Saturday. We're expecting 6 to 12 inches of snow above 7,000 feet and 18 inches or above at 8,000 feet. The River Forecast Center is forecasting the San Diego River to reach its action stage at 8 feet Friday afternoon and continue around 8 feet through at least Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening. Now what this means is that there could be multiple roads closed around the area due to flooding. If you are to come across a flooded road, we recommend that you turn around and don't drown. Thank you for watching this video briefing. Here are some links where you can monitor the hazards associated with this storm for Friday and Saturday, and we hope you are very well prepared.